All right, this Khyber 2000 is running smoothly now. Just needs a final check and polish.
The panel gaps seem inconsistent, slightly too wide here. Let me check the rear. It's better, but the paint has some wear.
Time for a transformation. Prepare to be amazed. Check out this amazing reveal. Behold, the sparkling Khyber. Time to get these old wheels off. Just a few more. All right, got it. All right, new wheels are on. Time to make sure they're tight. All right, lowering springs fitted. Nice. Just have to torque them down and we're good to go. I think this is exactly what it needed. Subtle, but so much cleaner.
All right, time to tackle this oxidation. And there it is, looking brand new.
With the modern LEDs installed, let's see just how bright these babies are. The difference is night and day.
All right, time to tackle these dents. This grit should do the trick. Looking much better. Now for the filler.
Installing premium dark window tint for a sleeker look. And there you have it, a clean, professional finish.
Wow, these new covers are amazing. And this steering wheel is perfect.
Installation is complete, wiring is routed and secured, and the system and speakers are tested and ready. The workshop environment remains busy. The paint correction is complete. The gunmetal looks perfect. All right, time to install the badges, trim, and weather seals on the Suzuki. And just like that, it's finished. Looks perfect. Done. Headlights, wheels, and a fresh polish. What do you think? After countless hours, she's finally perfect. The metallic gunmetal, the lowered stance,